County, Illinois. Northwestern Johnson County, Illinois. Southwestern Williamson County, Illinois. Southeastern Jackson County, Illinois. Northwestern Alexander County, Illinois. North Central Scott County, Missouri. Southeastern Perry County, Missouri. Eastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri. Until 1:15 a.m. At 12:32 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Altenburg to Cape Girardeau, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The Cape Girardeau airport gusted to 77 miles per hour. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Cobden, Buncombe, Alto Pass, Cape Girardeau Airport, Dongola, Mill Creek, Ware, Jonesboro, Carbondale, McKenna, Trail of Tears State Park, Graham Tower, Cedar Lake area, East Cape Girardeau, Scott City, Altenburg, Anna, Cypress, and Cambria. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 22 and 41. Interstate 55 between mile markers 90 and 103. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau, Perry, and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Jackson, Johnson, Union, and Williamson. A tornado